Alright guys, I gotta get this installed done here real quick. I am doing the Shogun frame sliders, bam bam, for the FZ-07. Gonna need a 17mm socket to get these off. I suggest, okay, I gotta put some weight into it. Only do one at a time. God damn, don't even want to come off. Motherfucker's on there. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Do one at a time when you do these, just to be on the safe side of making sure you don't move the motor and stuff. Okay, but these are just going to be real quick. Take out the stock washer, frame slider, put it there. You're going to need 10mm freaking Allen key bolt or ratchet for it. God damn, my ratchet sucks. God, my ratchet sucks. I need a new one. Forgive me. Just fucking... Come on. You just get them on there, guys. And then I'm going to go back at it with a torque wrench for sure. I'm just going to tighten them up real good right now just for video purposes, but I'll come back and do that, and you know, pretty much do that to the other side, and wham bam, thank you ma'am, you're done. As always, it's starting to rain right now, so as always,
love, peace, and chicken grease, suckers. Shogun frame slider install. Deuces!
Back from the dead.